Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the Titan story. Congratulations to the incredible team at Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors in Austin, Texas, for being one of the few companies in America to win back-to-back national Best of the Best honors each year since 2015, including our top honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and again in 2018. Titan is a very good company and has been for many years. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We did not tell the Titan ownership back in 2015, nor did we tell them again in 2018 when we reviewed Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors for the second time. At Best of the Best, we always keep a close eye on companies' reviews because we know things can change at companies over the years, and they have changed at Titan. Their reviews have actually gotten better. At Best of the Best, we love companies like Titan because the owners are a great couple who run the day-to-day business. Mike and Adele Connors started Titan back in 2010, and today they have one of the most positively reviewed and certified companies of its kind in this part of the country. Clients simply love the Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors experience. Titan does a lot of things really well. Lots of siding, windows, doors, roofing, and gutters. They also do fantastic concrete coatings that transform concrete garage floors and other areas in a day. In siding, Titan is a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor, which is a rare honor reserved for only the best of the best in the siding industry. James Hardie Siding is the best you can get, and Titan's history of installing James Hardie the right way and treating their customers the right way are important ingredients to this certification. When it comes to windows, Titan uses only the best. Names such as Simonton, Anderson, Milgard, Viewpoint. In terms of aluminum gutters, again, the top quality Senox, which make a home look great and get rid of the water like no other. Titan is not your grandpa's contractor. Mike and Adele are detail-oriented people. Mike went back and got an MBA when he started his business. He has about 25 years of experience in the remodeling industry, and it really shows in this company's work and reviews. They stay on schedule and on budget. They show up on time. They do what they say they will do at Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors. And that, frankly, is rare in this industry. At Best of the Best, we care most about what real customers say about any business. The reviews about Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors were great in 2015 when we first reviewed this company, and they're even better today. Clients rave about the workmanship, the professionalism of the crews, and most importantly to us at Best of the Best, Titan clients love the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at this family-owned company. Titan is an Angie's List Super Service Award winner multiple times. They've had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau with 0 complaints for many years, and they are a Guildmaster company, which we love. It signifies that they have a history of either perfect or almost perfect scores on Guild quality customer satisfaction surveys. That is fantastic. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors certainly does. They've given back to many children's organizations. They supported lots of sports teams over the years. They even have a page on their website dedicated to their charitable giving. That is awesome, especially for a smaller family company. Congratulations to Mike and Adele Connors and the team that they value so much at Titan Siding, Windows and Exteriors in Austin, Texas, for being one of the few companies to win national Best of the Best honors each year since 2015, including our top honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and 18. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.